If you are coding without these tools, you're wasting hours every single week. These 10 tools are 100% free, insanely powerful, and will instantly make you a better web developer. The first tool is Figma. Figma is an online editor for interface design. Figma can quickly build mockups, collaborate with teams, and export assets without Photoshop. The second tool is Lunacy or Canva. Lunacy is an offline tool with built-in icons, illustrations, and photos. And Canva is perfect for creating banners and graphics for websites or social media in minutes. The third tool is Squoosh. Squoosh is a web tool to compress images without quality loss. Squoosh can cut your website weight by 2 or 3 times. The fourth tool is color palette generators. These are libraries of beautiful, ready-to-use palettes. They are useful because they can instantly get matching color schemes. The fifth tool is Google Fonts and FontShare. Google Fonts is the largest free font library. Easy integration into any project. And FontShare, it's fresh and unique typefaces, but often less common. Responsively App. Responsively App is a desktop app showing how your site looks on multiple screens at once. You no need to constantly refresh browser and emulate devices. Postman. Postman is a free tool for testing and documenting API requests. With Postman, you can quickly check server responses without writing extra code. In the eighth tool, I decided to put 3 VS Code extensions. The first extension is Prettier. Prettier auto-format your code. The second extension is ESLint. It can catch bugs early. And the third extension is Live Server. It will reload your web page automatically. Vercel. Vercel is a service to deploy sites in just a couple of clicks. Vercel can push projects online without server configuration. And the final 10th tool, it's Lighthouse. Lighthouse is a built-in Chrome tool for checking speed, SEO, and accessibility. It can instantly see what slows your site and how to fix it. Now imagine combining all these tools. Faster websites, cleaner code, better designs. And you didn't spend a single dollar. Which one of these tools was new for you? Drop it in the comments. And if you want me to make a full video with 10 more secret tools, hit like and subscribe.